Welcome back to our YouTube channel. In today's video, we will be discussing how to filter search results by date in Windows 10. If you're looking for specific files or documents within a certain time frame, this feature can be incredibly helpful. Let's dive right in. Step 1. Start by opening the folder, drive, or network location you want to search within in File Explorer. This could be your Documents folder, a specific drive, or any other location where you have your files stored. Step 2. Once you're in the desired location, click or tap in the search box. This will bring up the search tab and the search tools in the ribbon. Step 3. Now type your search query in the search box and press enter. Windows will start searching for files or documents matching your search criteria. Step 4. In the search tab, you'll notice various options in the ribbon. Look for the date modified option and click or tap on it. A drop-down menu will appear, allowing you to select a specific date or a range of dates to filter your search results accordingly. By filtering search results by date, you can easily narrow down your search and find the files or documents you need within a specific time period. And there you have it. You've successfully learned how to filter search results by date in Windows 10. This feature is especially useful when you're working on projects that require specific files from a certain time frame, or when you want to declutter your search results by focusing on recent documents. We hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and tutorials. Feel free to leave any questions or suggestions in the comments below. Thanks for watching and happy searching. Don't forget to check out our other videos for more helpful content. See you next time.